you try to launch Manor Lords on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and the game crashes, shows an error, or the game doesn't even open, then this could be happening because your drivers might be outdated or your game files are damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial, we'll teach you several methods to fix your game. Open your Xbox app. Select Manor Lords. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Manor Lords to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Do you want to continue? Press Yes. Now wait for Manor Lords to be scanned for errors. Now launch Manor Lords. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Hooded Horse Manor Lords. Click on the three dots to open the Manor Lords options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Manor Lords isn't working right, you can try to repair it. Manor Lords data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Manor Lords is still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Manor Lords' data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Manor Lords is still not working, uninstall it. This will uninstall Manor Lords settings. Your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall. Manor Lords and its related info will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall. Open the Xbox app to download Manor Lords again. Search for Manor Lords. Click on Manor Lords. Press Install. Select your installation drive. Press Install again. Wait for Manor Lords to be downloaded and installed. Now launch your game.